York Region Transit's Mobility on Demand service at the Aurora GO Station allows you to travel directly between your home within a designated service area to and from the GO Station during rush hour. The service area is targeted at travelers who live too far away from the station to walk, but close enough that we can quickly and easily get them to their train. Mobility on Demand operates on a first-come, first-served basis. It is a ride-sharing service and must be booked on the same day up to 1 hour before you would like to travel. Once you book your trip, a YRT branded vehicle will pick you up at your home and take you to the station to meet your GO train. You can later book your trip from the Aurora GO Station to take you back home. The new Mobility on Demand mobile application allows you to quickly and easily book your ride for immediate pickup with the convenience of using your smartphone. Booking a trip is simple. Select your destination, enter your home address, and choose the number of passengers you're traveling with. You can then review your trip itinerary and estimated pickup time. When you're ready to depart, schedule your trip. YRT offers you convenient and affordable travel to and from GO Transit in York Region. For just $1, avoid the hassles of driving and parking at the Aurora GO Station and rely on transit instead. When using your Presto card, the appropriate $1 fare will automatically be calculated and deducted. Mobility on Demand helps you travel with ease and is an affordable and flexible service to meet your needs. You can avoid the stress of finding a parking spot and reduce the number of cars around the station. For more information on Mobility on Demand, visit yrt.ca.